In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom ticket view in Freshdesk. This is a handy tool that helps you and your team quickly access tickets that match specific conditions like high priority, unassigned, or even your own pending tickets. This way, you can prioritize your workflow and manage your support tickets more efficiently. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log in to your Freshdesk account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Tickets tab, which you can find on the left sidebar of your Freshdesk dashboard. This tab is essentially your home base for viewing and managing all the support tickets that come in. At the top of the ticket list, you'll notice a drop-down labeled Views. By default, this drop-down is usually set to all tickets, but what we want to do is customize this view to fit our needs better. So go ahead and click on that Views dropdown. Now, once you've opened the Views dropdown, you'll want to scroll down to find and click on New Ticket View. Depending on your Freshdesk version, this might also be labeled as New Filter, but it serves the same purpose. This is where the magic happens. It's where you'll set up your custom conditions to tailor the ticket view specifically to what you and your team need to see. You'll see a filter window pop up, and this is where you'll start adding conditions based on the specifics of the tickets you want to track. For example, if you're interested in monitoring open tickets that have a high priority and are either unassigned or need to be handled by a specific agent, you can set those conditions right here. You can get quite specific with these filters, using and/or logic to add multiple rules and refine your ticket view just the way you need. Once you've nailed down your conditions, it's time to give this ticket view a name. Consider a descriptive title like High Priority Unassigned. This will make it easy to identify and access later. Naming is an essential step because a clear and recognizable name will help both you and your team know exactly what kind of tickets this view covers at a glance. After naming your new view, you'll need to decide on its visibility. You have two choices. Make it private, which means only you can see and use it, or shared, which allows everyone on your team to access it. Think about who needs this information the most and decide accordingly. Finally, click Save to create your ticket view. And there you have it. Now, your customized ticket view will appear in the Views dropdown, making it accessible with just one click at any time. This convenience allows you to streamline your workflow and keep on top of the tickets that matter most to your team.